so many things in this world that I don't know. I watch the line curve in front of me, but I can't see where it goes. I am reaching for the future, still stumbling from the past. I'm caught here in the middle, in a body that won't last. Are you really my destiny as I watch our worlds collide? Or just another sweet distraction on this roller coaster ride? I have looked inside my belly, I have listened to my head. Is this really what I'm knowing, or just something that I read? I always hoped I'd find true love, someone so dear, no pain, no fear. And I always hoped I'd rise above. Maybe I won't. So I guess it's not over till the pale horse rides along, and I'll sit here in the sunlight, and I'll write another song, and I'll squeeze a few more drops from this aching heart of mine, and I'll drink them like a tonic, ruby fountain of the vine. Always hoped I'd find true love, someone so dear, no pain, no fear. And I always hoped I'd rise above. Maybe I won't till I'm gone. 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 Till I'm